Basketball, you betcha I'm back. It's the Daily Trainer, and I have been telling you over and over again that I'm going to give you new footage and that I was in a new facility, and you guys probably didn't even believe me. But guess what? It's true. It's true. Not only did I have a little bit of time to do something in the new gym, but now I'm getting a lot more time to get back to you guys and give you what you need, guaranteed to succeed for the game that you love to play each and every day. So let's get it underway. I can lower the rim and relive my dunking dreams. So I put a little bit of a jump workout for you, and here it is. So we got backboard touches. You're going to do backboard touches on each side of the rim. You're going to do that 10 times. You have two hands on the basketball. You're going to try to get up on the glass as much as you can. Now, this small rim concept of jumping helps improve your vertical because you're working those muscles and you have like a target to jump for. So as the rim starts to get higher and higher, that's what's going to happen with your vertical. Okay. And then you're going to do rim touches. Okay. Rim touches will be 10 as well. And let's go ahead and go 3 sets of each of these. All right. Now, again, this isn't easy, but it's something different for you. And I want you guys to know that we're always going to experiment here at Basketball U because there's so many different ways to learn the game of basketball. And I just want you to have an open mind when you come to learning the game. Now, this drop step drill is going to be a doozy because it's going to get you really tired. And as you see here, I probably was barely getting the rim, and this rim was low. All right. So you want to work your footwork with no dribble. If you happen to put it down, that's okay. But you want to work that drop step with no dribble and try to elevate off of just pure loading and finishing over the rim. Okay, we're going to do this 5 times on each side. Remember, you're going to turn and drop step to the baseline first. Okay, you're going to do that 5 times and then 5 times on the other side. And then you're going to drop step towards the middle, which is a little bit harder because you're kind of going away from the basket. So that's always an impressive dunk when NBA players do it because it's like, man, how strong and how athletic do you have to be to jump away from the basket and dunk on somebody, right? But we're not dunking on anybody here. We're just trying to get above the rim, right? So that's what we're trying to do right now, Basketball U. And then what I want you to do is I want you to just take a little break because I know how hard it is to definitely just go right into jumping, right? We didn't do a warm-up or anything. We went right into jumping. And so now I want you to take a quick flip back in time to where we're going to jump rope. Okay, now you're going to jump rope in between, and that's going to give me 100 jump ropes for each set. We're going to go 3 sets. That's kind of your wind down, but it's still going to get you a little tired, but also still work those same muscles that we're working like we were on the backboard jumps. Okay, then this one's going to be a little different than you've probably seen before, and this is going to be called frog leaps. I call this one frog leaps because you're getting all the way down on the ground, and you are just basically hopping like a frog, right? Or you can call them bunny hops as well. And these bunny hops are going to have you bouncing up and down and finishing high above that rim, okay? What's really hard about this is you have to really explode on that last jump after the 3 long jumps that you did from the free throw line. We're also going to do this drill 3 times. And then I want you to go to the free throw line, shoot a couple shots just to, get loose and kind of loosen up those legs as well. And go ahead and grab some water. Now that those legs have rested, Basketball U, we're going to get right back into jumping. Okay, so now we're going to work on our takeoff a little bit. We're going to drive to that basket and we're going to elevate off one leg. Still hard for me till this day. That's why I'm happy this is a low rim. But we really want to swing that ball up and drive that knee up as we look to really come down with some force. But first, the idea is to get over the rim and flush that basketball in. A lot of us, when we start to dunk, we want to just throw it hard at the rim. And on this version, it's a small rim, so you can kind of see the takeoff a little bit easier. And then we also have the person that used to do it on the 10-foot rim in some of our workouts, and you can see that example here too. Okay, just so you can see it on the 10-foot rim and what it looks like over time. right? But the consistency of you learning how to dunk it on the small rim will make it easier once you get up to that 10-foot boy, right? And so now we're going to go 10 times on that approach. Then we're going to go 10 times the same way on the left side. And we're going to go 10 times off one leg with two hands, and the same thing on the left side. Okay. And then the last thing we're going to do for our jumps today, because this is a really tiring drill for sure, we are going to jump, stop, and then try to elevate off that vertical. Okay, so you're going to jump, stop, elevate off that vertical, dunk one hand with the right, and you're going to do that 10 times, and then you're going to do the same thing on the left side. Okay, after we do that, we're going to go to the free throw line once again, and then we're going to jump rope to finish it out, and that will have us set up for our next thing that we're going to do, and it still has to do with jumping, and we're going to finish it up with that. So, catch your breath, and let's get back to it. All right, basketball U, it's time to finish it up. And the way we're going to finish it up is obviously with some conditioning. Oh, yes, definitely. In order to be a good dunker, you have to get momentum. So we're going to work some sprints, and we're going to do those sprints in a liner fashion. Okay, it's going to give us that quad work from going back and forth. Remember, it's free throw line and back, half court and back, and then we got the other free throw line and back, and then we got the full court sprint and back. We're going to do this 3 times. Okay, we're going to do this 3 times. Then after we do that, I want you to jump rope one last time. Okay, and that is going to be another set of 300 jump ropes. It's a lot of jump roping, I know, but it's definitely going to increase your vertical, especially with that fatigue from the workout. And that's going to be it for today in regards to our workout. It's a quick jump workout with a little bit of conditioning, no shooting, just strictly working on the bounce. We call this basically the low rim workout. The low rim workout, you can hear some different NBA players talk about how some of their sons had increased their bounce jumping around on a lower rim, and I'm sure you've seen some people on social media do that as well. And it just gives you a little bit more excitement, gives you a good feel, understand the timing on how to throw the basketball up even and go get it. So those different things are going to be incorporated in these workouts. Got way more jumping stuff for you, but today I just want to introduce you to that low rim workout. We'll probably do another one this week or next week, so we'll see. Just stay tuned for that as you continue to learn some secrets here at Basketball U. And Basketball U, I appreciate you guys for coming through as you always do. Thank you very much, and tune in tomorrow for more Basketball U fun. And remember, someone's always working. Are you?